Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to see how to fix Ace Aspire laptop stuck on restarting. Experiencing your Ace Aspire laptop getting stuck during the restart process can be frustrating. Here's a structured approach to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Perform a hard reset. Power down. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to ensure the laptop is completely off. Disconnect external devices. Unplug all peripherals including USB drive, external hard drive and printers. Remove power sources, unplug the AC adapter and if possible remove the battery. Discharge residual power. Press and hold the power button for approximately 30 seconds to drain any residual charge. Reconnect and restart. Reinsert the battery if applicable. Connect the AC adapter and attempt to power on the laptop. Access safe mode. Interrupt boot process. As the laptop starts, repeatedly press the F8 key or the specific key for your ASA model to access the advanced boot option menu. Select safe mode, choose safe mode or a safe mode with networking from the list. Diagnose in safe mode. If the laptop boots successfully, consider uninstalling any recently added software or driver that might be causing conflict. Utilize Startup Prepare. Prepare installation media, create a bootable window installation USB or DVD, boot from media, insert the installation media, restart the laptop and press F12 or the designated key to access the boot menu. Initiate repair, select the bootable device, then navigate to repair your computer, then go to troubleshoot, tap on startup repair to let Windows attempt to fix startup issues. Reset BIOS to default settings. Enter BIOS setup, restart the laptop and press F2 or the appropriate key during startup to access the BIOS. Load default settings. Within the BIOS, look for an option to load setup defaults or similar, then save and exit. Perform a system restore. Access System Restore. In safe mode, navigate to Control Panel, then go to Recovery, open System Restore. Choose Restore Point, select a restore point dated before the issue began and follow the prompts to restore your system. Update or reinstall graphic drivers. Access Device Manager in safe mode. Press Window plus X and select Device Manager. Locate display adapters. Expand the display adapter section. Right click on your graphic card and choose Update Driver. Reinstall driver. If updating doesn't help, select uninstall device, then restart your laptop. Windows should automatically reinstall the driver upon reboot. Check hardware issues. Reseat RAM modules. If you are comfortable doing so, turn off the laptop, take off the back panel, and make sure the RAM module are properly seated. Check for loose connections. Inspect for any loose cables or connectors, particularly those linked to the display. Consider a system reset or reinstallation. Backup important data. If you can back up your important files before moving forward, reset or reinstall Windows. Utilize the installation media to carry out a system reset or a fresh installation of Windows. Keep in mind that this could erase any existing data.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.